everyone, welcome to Dee LaVigne. If you're new, welcome. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit that bell. That way YouTube will notify you every single time I put out a new video. Y'all, I'm super excited. So I decided, Jerry and I recently went on a date night on Friday, was it? It was a few days ago. And then I got a call from my SA asking if I could come see her. Because where I live, they don't have an Hermes store, so I always fly to go shop and like see her and stuff. Well, usually I'll order stuff, obviously, but she had something for me, which I don't have, which I'm not sharing in this video right now, but if you guys would like to see it, let me know, comment down below, and maybe I'll do a dedicated video for it. It's like a double unboxing, but not really, because I didn't check in a bag, so I carried stuff on, and I didn't have room. So one of them, the box, I just told them to toss it, I didn't need it. But let's get into it. So, oh my gosh. I'm so excited about what's in here. I love these. Let me just stop talking and open it up for you guys to show y'all. So this is, it's like a fake unboxing because your girl, as soon as I got home, I opened everything and showed Jerry and like my kids and everything. But it comes with the ribbon and the 2 dust bags. So yes, it's a pair of shoes. You guys, I'm obsessed. Okay. Yes, I have several pairs of these shoes because I'm obsessed with these shoes. They're the Hermes Sandals. I love them so much. And this is a new color. It is, I believe, oh my gosh, you told me. I think it's Vert Cactus, I think. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I love these. Like, these are my favorite color pair that I have for sure, because I love green. It's my favorite color, and the green is just so beautiful. I love these. If you guys are interested or in the market and have been like thinking about getting these, I love them. I mean, some people think they're uncomfortable. They're so comfortable to me. And they're true to size. I am a size 35 in these, and that's what I am normally. So I love them, you guys. Look at the green. Oh my God, these make me so happy. I don't know, I've been in a green phase. Like, before, my favorite colors used to be like pink and black. Don't get me wrong. 2 very awesome colors still, love them. But for the last few years, it's something about green. I don't know. Let me know down below. Am I like alone on this or what? So yeah, these are my new pair of Hermes that I absolutely love. Next up, like I said, I tossed the box because I couldn't fit it on the plane. But another pair of shoes. And I love these. When I saw them, I couldn't believe they had my size. It's usually pretty hard to get my size in certain sneakers that actually fit, and I'll tell you why. Whoop. Ta-da, you guys. How cute. These are so me because they're so loud. I love bright shoes. I'm actually wearing yellow shoes right now. I love the H detail on the end, and then on the inside of the shoe they have a smaller H. The suede, it's like suede up here at the top. I love these. So a quick little story time. Jerry actually bought me my first pair of Hermes sneakers like 2 years ago for my 30th birthday. It was like one of my gifts. And I love them so much, but they don't fit. Like, y'all have seen me wear them a couple times, so like if I'm not gonna be walking a lot and it goes with my outfit, I'll like wear it because I want to obviously wear them. I love them, and it's super sentimental because he got them for me for my 30th birthday. But yeah, Hermes sneakers, those, like, you have to try them on. Like, some of their sneakers are not true to size at all. Like, those are a size 35, the ones that I'm talking about, and they're just way too big. And these are also a size 35, and they fit me so nicely, perfectly true to size. So yeah, I love these, and I'm so excited that I have these. I wanted another pair of sneakers because I wear sneakers all the time. And yeah, I'm just so happy about these 2 pairs of shoes, y'all. I've been more of like a shoe girl, I feel like, the last like 6 months. I love handbags and shoes, but you know, my handbag game is like, I usually go for handbags, but lately I've just been getting shoes. And so yeah, I'm super happy with this, especially because I do have several yellow bags that I think would be so cute with this. And yeah, I just can't get over this green. Like, you guys have to see. In fact, when I was there shopping, literally they got their shipment in and this color was sold out by the time I left, like gone. So I'm so happy that I have these. Anyways, let me know down below, you guys, if you guys wanted to see what she called me in for. If so, I'll do that in another video, or if y'all don't care, then I won't share it and I'll share other things. Let me know down below, what do y'all want me to film next? And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.